What's the meaning of crozier? Crozier. Crozier.
Crozier. Crozier. A crozier is a staff that is carried by a bishop or an abbot as a symbol of their authority and pastoral ministry. The crozier typically has a curved top, which represents the shepherd's crook used to guide and protect sheep. It is often made of precious materials, such as gold or silver, and may be adorned with jewels or other decorative elements. The use of a crozier dates back to early Christianity and continues to be an important symbol within the Catholic and Anglican churches.